Okay, I won't be going into all of that. So I'll go straight into Management Studio. To arrive at the Management Studio, you will be prompted to connect through the database engine. I want to give you a scenario of the internet as a tool that allows you your computer to interact with browsers. So is the management database engine. It allows you a connection to Management Studio from where you can interact with different instances of your SQL Server. In the case of a SQL Server database administrator, they will connect to through the database engine. And I would also like to mention that the database engine also gives you the option of connecting to other services. Just from here, you can see the analysis services, you can see reporting, integration. So that's it. But for us as a SQL Server DBA, we are connecting through the database engine. And I also would want you to know that, like, just from your computer, you establish a connection to a browser through the internet. Then you can decide if you want to browse through, let's say, Google Chrome or Mozilla or any other kind of browser. So is the Management Studio. Once you establish connection to the server through database engine, then you can decide what server instance you want to interact with. Over here, you can see on the top, I have different instances here. I have server 1, server 2, server 3, server 3. Server 3, server 4. So after this, so from here, I can choose which of them I want to interact with. I can decide to log on to connect to server 1, initiate a connection to my named instance and only other one. Okay, and I can use the browser to find anyone that is not coming up here right now. Okay, so and then moving forward, you can as well, I just don't want to miss anything. Let me see. So over here, you have the option of also connecting it through either as a Windows authentication or SQL Server authentication. We'll be using the Windows authentication right now, and the name of the user right now is SQL admin. Let's go ahead and hit the connection so we can connect to SQL One.